Ardahan Province is a province in the northeast of Turkey, at the very end of the country, where Turkey borders with Georgia. The provincial capital is the city of Ardahan. Geography: Ardahan Province is located in the far northeast of Turkey, where the eastern extremity of the high plateau of eastern Anatolia converges with the Lesser Caucasus mountain range. It is consequently an area of very high altitude and severe winters. This is attractive open countryside which, however, spends many months of the year under snow. At this altitude, temperatures on average reach -20 degrees Celsius and can drop below freezing all year round, including summer months. The local economy depends on farming and raising livestock. Until 1993, Ardahan was a district of the province of Kars. Becoming a province in its own right has meant more investment in infrastructure. There are two crossing points into the Samtskhe-Javakheti district of Georgia, one at Pozov and the other at Sildia. The Turkish military have a strong presence in this border district, another boost to the local economy. Climate: the predominant climate in the Ardahan province is humid continental climate bordering on a subarctic climate, with most large settlements in the province being located in lowest possible elevation areas, in attempt to avoid the year-round cold temperatures, thus staying just below the subarctic limit. Smaller locales, districts, villages and a significant portion of the landscape exhibits a true subarctic climate, being the second most widespread climate in the region. Population: Ardahan is an impoverished area that since the 1950s has seen a large number of its people migrate to other parts of Turkey or abroad. The population declined from 170,000 people in 1990 to 119,000 in 2000. The population is 105,454 as of 2010. Ethnic groups in the region include Turks, Georgians, Turkmens, Kurds and Azeris. In the Russian occupation period between 1878 and 1917, when the province was part of the militarily administered Kars Oblast, its population was even more diverse, with large numbers of Armenians, Caucasus Greeks, and Russians. They were removed in the Treaty of Kars due to the Christian religion. History: in 680 BC, Scythians came across the Caucasus from the north and captured this area from the Urartu kings that ruled from the capital on the shores of Lake Van to the south. The Scythians were replaced by Persians, and then in 330 BC Alexander the Great came through with his armies. Ethnic Georgians populated the area, and in between conquests, it was a province of a Georgian kingdom, after whose partition in the 1490s the area passed to the Atabegs of Samtskhe based in Akaltsika until it was taken over by the Ottoman Empire in 1578. In 1878, after the Russo-Turkish War, the region was incorporated into the Russian Empire, and until 1918 was known as Kars Oblast, part of the Democratic Republic of Georgia. From 1918 to 1921, Ardahan was reclaimed by Turkey under the Treaty of Kars in 1921. The construction of the Baku-Tbilisi-Ceyhan pipeline gave the local economy a brief boost from 2000 onwards. Districts: Ardahan Province is divided into 6 districts: Ardahan, Sildia, Damel, Gol, Hanak, Pozov. Cities and towns: Ardahan City 17,171 INH, Gol City 6,231 INH, Hanak City 4,030 INH, Damel City 3,804 INH, Koprulu Town 2,126 INH, Pozov City 1,810 INH, Sildia City 1,502 INH. Places of interest: there are a number of medieval castles in the district, including Ardahan Castle itself. Lake Sildia, Phantom of Ataturk in city of Damel. There is a unique natural incident between mid of June and mid-July during sunset. Depending on angles of sun X-rays, Phantom of Ataturk is visible. It was first seen by a shepherd who was with his herd over the hill.